temple.
At last, the Sword of Fortune! Not so fast, Ninja. I am the Shadow Thief, and I'll never let you have it. Then we battle, because Ninja never quit. Hee-yah!
Mask is here, it won't come easily. Trust me, I've had my share of deadly tombs. Follow my every step. Okay, don't touch anything with that symbol on it.
Touch anything!
Just hope Lloyd discovers Harumi's secret before her help arrives.
You okay?
Yes, but it's hard to see. Who?
The Oni.
Who?
The Oni.
Nope.
Only someone with Oni blood can take the mask. Can I see it?
Yoink!
I just want to see it.
How did you know?
It's an Oni temple. It's safe to assume only an Oni could take it.
No. How could you know that I was part Oni?
You're related to the first Spinjitzu master. He was an Oni.
I never told you that. Jay and I were alone when Mistaki told us the story. You were never there.
Then I must have heard it from Jay.
I don't want to believe it. You're the quiet one?
How could you say that?
It all makes sense now. The greatest villain is the one you never knew was there in the first place. You said that.
Oh, yes. I'm the criminal mastermind. How could I have done this? Do you realize how silly you're sounding? I love you.
Stay back.
Lloyd?
You only wanted me to get the mask you couldn't find.
I didn't need you to find the mask. I knew to keep you close. Not everything goes to plan. Give me the mask.
No, I can't let you bring my father back. Not like that.
Well, then if you won't give it to me...
Then I will take it!
It was too strong, too big for you and your friends. Lloyd, you aren't so naive to think no one got hurt that day, did you?
The
wasn't until the almighty Lord Garmadon saved the day. But he couldn't save my family. It was too late. I died that day too.
Give me one reason not to say goodbye to it right now.
I'll give you two. You want to see your father again. And you love me. Ah, your emotions. You can't get rid of them. It's hard to think, isn't it? I felt those feelings too. We truly are kindred spirits. To protect Ninjago, I had to repress those feelings. I had to wear a mask until the time came for me to take control. I had to be smarter, stronger.
You were never protecting Ninjago. You were only after revenge.
Tell me, Lloyd, how many times has Ninjago almost fallen on your watch? How many times have you ninja failed and let others pay the price? You're not our protectors. You're just a bunch of little kids playing dress-up. Ninjago is my home, too. And with your father by my side, we can return it to glory. Give it the leader it truly deserves.
Then I guess this is goodbye. Okay, so that didn't go as planned.
This isn't going to be a fair fight.
What did the mask do to you?
The mask of hatred. A taste of invincibility. Too bad for you!
I've got an itch. You mind coming over here to scratch it?
Shut it, hair gel!
Get off me!
Glow, little glowworm, glimmer, glimmer, shine.
That song
little glowworm,
again. It
glimmer,
ain't gonna
glimmer.
work, Beefcake.
Maybe I just feel like singing. Lead us, let's too
Hey, I
far.
said
we
knock it
wander.
off.
Love, sweet voice, calling yonder. Glow, little glowworm, glimmer, glimmer, shine, little glowworm, glimmer, glimmer. Hey, little glowworm, glimmer, glimmer. Lead us, let's too far we wander. Love, sweet voice, calling yonder. Glow, little glowworm, glimmer, glimmer, shine, little glowworm, glimmer, glimmer, shine, a little glowworm.
Thanks, little Woo.
Not so fast.
Careful. I wouldn't want you to upset the child.
Ha! Looks like we have the upper... Oh, come on!
Where's Lloyd?
The Green Ninja can't help you now.
This can end one of two ways. Either you hand the masks over peacefully,
I don't even have to know the rest of the choices. I like that one.
Or what?
or we'll have to get all ninja up on ya.
What does that even mean?
I don't know. I was improvising. Usually Lloyd does the talking, but he isn't here. But where is Lloyd?
There he is!